ever since this debate has started of nepotism, और उसमें आपको एक lead role दिया गया है, and you're just the one who's killing it right now, as the movie states. Many a times, such a humongous contribution we don't see when a new face is launched. What are your thoughts on that, and being launched as a newcomer?
So to begin with, as you said that outsider, I think probably on a piece of paper you can write I'm an outsider, but I never felt like an outsider in this company. Uh, I'm sure you are aware of the first film that didn't work out for me, and after that also, I never felt that this company or this team has ever let go of the support they showed to me from the very beginning. And so I see the amount of time and the efforts everybody has put in me, and it puts me in a little bit of position of pressure. But I mean, I can do. I'm trying my best. Utterly grateful for what they've done for me, and yeah, I don't feel like an outsider, to be honest. I've always felt that they have got my back and they're always there. And when Kill also happened, like it just happened. Uh, I just got the script and they were like, you read the script. And when I read the script, and of course, Nikhil also quite liked me for the part. And it all panned out pretty well for me. And when I think Apurva sir came for the first time to see what we were shooting, and when he saw some rushes, and he just came to me and he said, "Bless you, son." He said, "Bless you," and that's what he said. And I think we were halfway through the film when Karan sir came and watched the film, and I think Nikhil sir and I, we were standing outside the set, just like two kids waiting for the teacher to come out and tell us how we have done in the exams. Cut to, I look at him and he's like, "Wow, what is this?" And Nikhil sir and I, we just hugged each other and we are like, "Okay, we are home now. We have done something good." So yeah, that's about it.